For 13 years, teachers in this province have been unable to negotiate class size and composition. In 2001, provincial legislation stripped them of those rights. In 2011, a BC Supreme Court ruled that was unconstitutional. Earlier this week, the court came down with another decision in the teachers' favour. If history has shown us anything, this latest development doesn't mean anything yet.
It was the decision Tina Cousins had been waiting for.
Excited, surprised. We didn't expect a court decision until April.
The court decision she's talking about is the one the BC Supreme Court Justice just handed down on Monday. It awarded the BC Teachers Federation $2 million in damages because the province had taken too long to amend unconstitutional legislation around class size and composition.
There are a number of things that have been stipulated. It's a 149-page document. I've only read the summary at this point and then read a little bit of background information.
It could mean a return to 2001 class sizes and composition. The court's decision means the deleted terms of the teachers' collective agreement could be retroactively restored.
That's what we're understanding is what we're looking forward to is the class size and composition limits that we had originally in our collective agreement. It was deemed unconstitutional to take them out, and so we are moving forward with what we had.
Turning back the clock to 13 years ago could be expensive.
Too early to know whether there will be cost implications or there will not be cost implications.
Budgets and staffing levels have changed in that time. For the Prince George School District, it's too soon to know how it will be affected.
There's a lot of decisions that have to be made at the government level. There's a lot of more information that we need to know about the ramifications of the decision. And so in terms of implications, it's a little bit too soon for us to make any comments at all.
The Teachers Association says it's time to make it right for teachers and students.
We have a generation of students from 2002 who haven't had the supports in place. And each month I come to the board meeting and I talk about the workload issues and the complexity of the classroom now. And, I'm very hopeful with this court decision yesterday that we can move forward and rebuild our education system with what it should have been in the first place.
The decision is good news for teachers. For now, the Premier has already said an appeal is likely. Kelly Lanahan, CKPG News.